Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the unboxing of Realme C1. So here is some details written on the back of the box. Its cost is rupees 8,999 and 13 plus 2 megapixel back camera and front camera is 5 megapixel. This is a good phone in the budget, and it's the 2GB and 32GB version. And more details here. Let's unbox it. Let's remove the first covering on it. Now let's open it and see how the phone looks and what the accessories with it. So here is another box which written Realme on it. And what's inside the box? Let me show you what's inside the box. Here is a cover and some papers, warranty cards and guides. This is a good quality cover. Is warranty card, guide, quick start guide, and here is the phone. This is very premium design, looking very premium. Let's see what's inside the box. Here is a USB cable. It is micro USB cable. As you can see, it's micro USB cable, not USB type C cable. It's micro USB. And here is the micro USB cable, and the charger is standard 5-watt charger, not quick charge. It does not support quick charging. It has a 4200 mAh battery, very good battery. It will easily last for a day. And with the color we have is the mirror black color, looking very good and premium, feels very premium in hand. And let's boot it. So you can see Realme, the first boot of this device. Realme powered by Android. Let me fix the cover on it. Also, the cover is very hard. So the device is booted. It's showing select language. Okay, English. Skip. Okay. So here's Google and press next. It has a notch display, looking very good. 6.2 inch display or 6.3 inch display, very bright display. So I have started the phone. This is the phone, how it looks. The color OS 6, and it's running on where is about phone, and it's running on Android version 8.1 Oreo out of the box. 8.1 Oreo, and color OS version 9. Okay, and 32GB storage and 2GB of RAM. It has Snapdragon. It is a Snapdragon processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon. So let me show you the camera. The camera is pretty good. Showing permissions. The camera is very good in it. So subscribe our channel and watch our previous